for lightning to go.
Yeah, she's probably gonna take forever.
Okay.
Raining. It's pouring.
The old man is snoring.
Get it? Oh, wow, that was over there.
We just witnessed a little boy with clout.
Yeah.
He literally is forcing his mom to take a picture.
Stand in the rain, and he was covering his face like this.
Like wearing a Supreme sweater and stuff.
Some Babe and Abe or some shit.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's pretty funny.
Yeah, we seen a ferret too. Shark. Oh,
So I just had one drink and I'm already off. Yeah. Hi Christian. Say
Hello.
hi. This is
Hello,
my
everyone.
homies. Oh my gosh,
Hi.
it's lightning.
Oh yeah, it's fucking pouring, and we're like, let's get lit.
out of all the days, we decided
I
to come
know,
out
we're like,
this day. What's up, guys? So we just pulled up to this new nature park. Best part of California. City over there. And then you got this big old nature over here.
Go nature.
So how do you like this nature?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
So how do you like this park date that I took you on?
I like it so far. So Christian wanted to come to this park and ride scooters around it.
Yeah.
And we thought there were gonna be scooters here, but there is none. And then we read a sign that says no scooters or
No,
bikes.
it didn't say no
anything.
scooters. It just said no
Oh.
skateboards and skating and bikes.
That's weird though.
But they forgot scooters and roller skates. But I didn't think they were going to be here. I wanted to rob them from the street, throw them in the back of the car.
Yeah.
But Lena was like, no, they'll be here. And what happened? They're not here.
They're not here.
Yeah.
My bad. Yeah. They usually, would have them at parks and stuff, but. And all of the bikes or the scooters that we've seen on the map are like pretty far from the parks.
They're not that far. We have a car.
Yeah, we have a car,
But
but.
Lena doesn't want to go, That's the vibe I'm getting.
Okay. Can we just walk around real quick? See how this park is? He looks like he's about to jump these birds or something.
You see you drinking water? Look how he's drinking. Look at all these chickens. What are these, Lena?
Ducks?
No,
What are they?
they're geese.
Geese.
Goose. Geese.
Oh.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to drink some water.
So now we are going to find a scooter
Yeah.
and rob it and put it in the car and then bring it back over here. So wish us luck, guys. Hopefully we find one. Hopefully we don't give up, or I don't give up.
I know. Lena didn't want to, but I'm forcing her.
We found some scooters.
We are not going to rob them, but we're somehow going to transport them to the park. This helmet is required.
Is it letting you ride it?
Why are you showing it?
Hopefully this doesn't lock on us or something, because we
Oh, the sign up.
low-key stole it. But
Go, Lena, go.
I don't really know.
Oh.
Oh, he is?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready, set, go. Oh! Whoa! And I only have one hand. bad boys. Go, floor it. You gotta make it up the hill. Floor it. You gotta go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. We're not breaking the law, we're bending the law. Ooh, like that? I trade you.
No. I can't believe that we actually got away with what we did, you know?
We didn't do nothing. All we did was just rent a scooter.
We just transported the scooter to
We
another
rented
location.
it. Jeez, you know, I'm not robbing a bank with you. Up in a college now. Oh, Harbor College. Yeah, I don't know how this.
Oh no, he's not. No, no.
Found this abandoned golf course. Yeah. Let's go in there. Yeah, so I'm guessing this burned down. Oh, that's creepy. There's a teddy bear over there. Yeah. What people been eating. Got some food right there. I just get out of here for those homeboys over there come try to jack our scooters down.
Where are they?
They're over there chilling over there, dog. So we're gonna head out, dog. And we see you mañana, dog. Let's go. Oh, we gotta find out how to get out of here. All right there. Right there. Up the hill, up the hill, up the hill. Nice. All right, now we go back to the park. Getting kind of hungry.
Yeah, me too.
Spazzing right now. I hit the go and it just burned out everywhere.
Market and
have a chill day.
Have a chill Sunday, you know. Okay, so before we go into the flea market, we're gonna eat our burgers. What we order is a grilled cheese, but mine's I order it animal style, so it comes with red onions, pickles, and mustard and all that stuff. And then I add chopped chilies to it, and it is so bomb.
Order grilled cheese with extra cheese.
Yeah, he don't ask animal stuff.
With a whole grill too. That's cool, Bronco.
I think mine's is more flavorful and more good. Better. Whatever.
It's too much vinegar. You got mustard and pickles. Another day, another dollar.
Just went to the rock climbing gym. It was pretty fun. I need to build more muscle because I keep on like almost getting it, but then my arms get like jello-y, so I like give up.
And she's scared of the heights.
Yeah, and then I look down and I'm like, oh my gosh.
Now we're gonna go eat, but we don't know where. What do you guys recommend? Comment down below.
Christian's Halloween costume together.
I'm going to be like a Roblox. Oh my gosh, how my hair looks.
Your hair doesn't look bad.
Little pump thingy, just tell them.
Yeah, he's gonna be a little pump from I Love It. So we're trying to figure out like what we're gonna need to do that, you know? Like kind of looks better.
How's it look?
It looks funny.
Could that be this? What?
Yeah, I want you to do red, blue, purple.
Side.
You can do the shots. Yes.
Wait, should I have a little
Turn up tone. I'm just kidding.
Hi. Hi.
So Halloween's stressful. We didn't know how stressful Halloween was. I'm making like a little pump outfit. It's really hard. Lena doesn't know what she wants to be, but she's gonna be a butterfly.
Yeah, I don't know. Just gonna see how this looks. If it looks stupid, then I'm not gonna be it.
It's hot. I can't talk to the camera anymore. I got too lazy. Alright, so this is my costume so far. We still need to work on it. I gotta make the legs, but other than that, we got that. We got the chain. And we got freeway. See, look at that. We about to.
So it is Saturday, October 27th, 26th, and I am getting ready for our little Halloween party we're going to. I didn't know what to be, and honestly, this whole party got me stressed out. I'm like, what the heck do I be? I found this at Target, and I was like, you know what? I like that. I like butterflies, so yeah, let me show you guys exactly what's going on here. Honestly, I don't know. I feel like this is very simple. I've been struggling with this look. I don't really know. I'm gonna try to do this. Okay, this is gonna need some work. I just wanted to update you guys on what's going on, but yeah, having a dilemma. Do I look like a butterfly now? I don't know. I'm not happy about my costume. I am a butterfly. Can you tell? I just feel like I went like a really simple route, and I wish I went more all out, but I'm never really good at planning or getting things ahead of time, so yeah, that sucks. Hopefully my friends can help me, like fix me up or whatever. I kind of wanted to go for a nerd vibe, but I feel like this is also very easy to accomplish and stuff, but whatever. I'll see what they say. Bye guys.